Hi, this is to remove the Mitsubishi 2007 V6 alternator. My alternator is has problem. The battery light is on, and I check the voltage is around 11.5. It's supposed to be about 14.5 volt up to 15 volt, about that range. So basically you need to remove the battery cable, and it's good to charge the battery before you turn on the engine with the new alternator. So as you see that you need to remove the bolt in here and take out the belt underneath. You replace the plastic guard you see over there. I removed them already, and there's many. Then you have the plastic holder, and to take out the belt, you need to pull in this pulley right here. Remember that to turn counterclockwise, and this is the bolt right here. You push counterclockwise and it's going this way, and you see that it have something that to put in the hole right here, that it will hold the body. And I remove all of the wire harness. This is for the I believe that is for the AC unit. This is for the alternator, and this one is attached to the this one right here is attached to the alternator. And to take out the alternator, you need to remove the AC unit out. Don't take it out everything, so take out all the bolts. This bolt right here, a few bolts on the back there, 2 more bolts, and then have somebody to help you to hold this AC right here, and you can take the alternator out from this way, from out right here. Okay, and basically that's it. And after that, you just put the new belt in, and that's all. And you see that this is the old alternator. It has 3 bolts, one right here, one right here, another one right here, and this is to attach the for the harness cable right here. You see right here, all of this is one of those right here. Okay, you see that right here, that's the harness right here, and the bolt okay this way. Okay, right here and right there, and this is all the bolt I take it out, and there are 2 of them from the AC unit. Well, that's you know already, and this is the old one right here, and you see that's right here, opening it here, right here.